Good morning. Those entrepreneurship activity. Barbados, Antioquia. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? I like in Barbados, Antioquia. The most visited is the sector of the public for the gastronomy and tranquility that it generates. Making things. What are the best things that have happened to you on a trip? Mention two. The best thing that have happened to me at trip. 1. Meet fantastic people. 2. Gastronomy, eating delicious things. New friends. Have you ever met new friends of the trip? What did is happen? I always meet new friends in any outing. I like to know where they come from and learn alike about their culture. Everything that why submitting casual talking about submitting a war experiences. Ecotourism. Do you prefer regular tourists or ecotourists? Mention two advantages or disadvantages on them as of your opinions. I prefer ecotourism. Advantage. It is much cheaper with allow you to see more places in ecotourism and can travel with lighter luggage. Disadvantage. In regulation tourists, there are very nice places to visit, especially in Europe. In ecotourism, we always meet this same type of people. Like new destination. What is better, visiting popular tourist destination or leasing new tourist destination? Why? I have these two reasons for you answer. I think it's better to visit to see popular city. Popular cities are very clothing and very expensive. What is not so popular be more beautiful and we can enjoy is mine. Thank you.